In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a .fig file from Figma. This will be a quick and straightforward tutorial, perfect for anyone looking to share their Figma work easily with colleagues or team members. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Figma dashboard. This is your main workspace where all your design files are neatly listed. Once you're there, take a moment to choose the specific file you want to export. It's important to ensure you've selected the right file, especially if you're managing multiple projects or versions. Once you've pinpointed the file you want to export, which is crucial for a smooth process, the next step is accessing the main menu. You'll find this conveniently located at the top left corner of your screen. Give it a click to open up the drop-down options. Within this drop-down, look for the File option. Clicking on File will open another set of options, getting us even closer to exporting your file. Here you will find the option labeled Save Local Copy. Select this, and immediately a download of your .fig file will begin. This .fig format is the specific Figma format that preserves all the data and design integrity of your file, making it ideal for sharing and collaborating. Once the download is complete, you now have your .fig file ready to be shared. Whether through email, cloud storage, or any other file sharing method you prefer, you can easily send this .fig file to your colleagues or team members. When they receive it, utilizing it is just as easy. All they need to do is drag and drop the file into Figma. Alternatively, there are various methods they might use to open the file within Figma, but dragging and dropping is certainly one of the most intuitive ways. And there you have it. That's how you can export a .fig file from Figma. Simple, right? This method ensures that all your design elements are preserved and ready for further collaboration or editing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tips and guides related to Figma and other design tools. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.